I'm Marta.
And I'm Gertie.
We are a Canadian couple who love traveling locally as much as we love traveling abroad. In December, we bought a piece of vacant land 3 hours north of the city, and we are planning on trading in the city life for a new adventure by building our dream cabin in the woods. In the last video, we hit bedrock, which meant we needed to revise our foundation from piers to a concrete slab pinned to bedrock. We're at the Home Depot, which feels really great. We're going to be building a posts
Farm goods.
for a farm gate to block everyone out. Successful trip to the depot. We rented an auger for our holes. Gertie's struggling. All right, loaded the auger bit. Gertie's loading all the concrete bags. All right, so today we're headed to install a farm gate. I measured this really quickly a couple weeks ago. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong.
So we think we might have grabbed an extra gates, but
Yeah,
we'll see.
yeah, so we got two 10-foot gates. My measurement was that it was 25 feet, which seems really, really big for an entrance of a driveway, but we'll see. And we're gonna try to at least get the concrete posts in and get some lumber to hold up the gates. But yeah, our goal today is at least to get the posts settled and dig some holes. We rented from Home Depot what is that called? An auger?
Yep.
A one-man auger. So we have the one-day rental. We really want to get this done, and then if we run out of time and the concrete needs to set, we'll come back and
A few hours.
yeah, we'll try to wait a few hours, see how the concrete's doing, and then we'll try to put the gate in. But if not, we might have to delay it till next week.
The box says that it dries in about 2 hours, less than 2 hours, but
Yeah.
we're gonna give it like 3 maybe. Just
Yeah.
to make sure.
We'll probably go to town, get some food or something, and enjoy while the concrete sets. So anyway, stay tuned. So we're so desperate to find foundation people. We saw people working on a Sunday, and Gertie stops the truck on the side of the road and goes and talks to the workers to see if they have availability. I have to show you. That's just Gertie talking on the side of the road.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Just drove over to Minden to pick up some 6x6x12 posts. Got some local traffic up ahead. Not sure what these birds are, but they're like wild. I don't really know.
You can see that.
Yeah, they're in the bush. Yep. There's one. Weird. All right, let's see how this goes.
They're primates.
Problem starting it. The lady at Home Depot was able to start it in 1 second. on. This seems very dangerous. I think it's stuck on a root. Don't break the machine. Not again. Doesn't. This is our struggle right now. There's so many roots and rocks, so the auger is obviously not working, and we're by hand trying to cut. We didn't bring our axe. It's not going well. Okay, we're gonna attempt this side to make a hole, but I think we're gonna have to rent an excavator with these roots and the rocks. Okay, what this video was supposed to be was us installing a barn gate, but the reality is that is impossible with the tools that we have, so we're gonna have to come back. There's the hole we attempted to dig and cut roots. Here's all of our things. Yeah, we'll just come back and get the right tools for the job. Just hitching a ride on the side of the vehicle. No biggie. This must be what it feels like to surf. No, I'm kidding. Ah, slow down. Okay, can I not be on the hill? One sec. Thanks. Stop! Stop! Alright, well, we don't have a farm gate installed, but at least we bought everything we needed. We realized we couldn't do it with the auger, so, you know, we'll eventually get out a mini excavator and just do it ourselves. But on the plus side, stopping on that side of the road to talk to those random contractors worked out, because at least now we have a lead on foundation. We're gonna get a couple more quotes just to make sure that it's not out of whack. And now we're just gonna stop and enjoy the sun and get some wood.
Have some pizza, and so we take our sadness away.
Yeah, we're gonna eat our feelings away by having some wood burning oven pizza from a food truck just at this little local market. It's really cute. And I'll just show you the little pizza truck here, but it's pretty well known in the area. I don't know if you can see. And this is the wood burning oven. Pretty cool idea. Just chowing down our wood oven pizzas.
It's actually very good.
Yeah, really tasty. We also want a wood burning pizza oven one day.
One day.
Clearly, we're not even at a gate, so one day.